McKinsey released their 2024 report yesterday. 400 million jobs vanish by 2027. Not 2035, not 2030, 2027. OpenAI's O1 just automated legal document review. Morgan Stanley deployed it across 2,400 employees. That's 2,400 fewer junior analysts. Data entry roles are already 73% automated in Fortune 500 companies. Deloitte's automation index shows customer service jobs declining 64% this year alone. Right now, your industry is being mapped. Your specific role is being studied. AI isn't coming for jobs in 2027. It's coming for yours in 2025. Customer support specialists face 58% replacement risk. Accounting clerks face 81% replacement risk. Your paycheck depends on moving up the skill ladder today, not tomorrow. Today. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.